right, good day everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Mommy Bell, aka TL3 and Cat. Tonight's video, I will show you and I will share to you how to make a chocolate cake, and then we are going to decorate it into a Minnie Mouse cake. All right, so let's go and take a look on how we will decorate, how we will bake and decorate our cake tonight. Keep watching.
Though I've never seen your face, I know you're always there, caring for me, lifting every sorrow that I bear. Every day the journey brings me closer to your side, and forever in your presence I'll abide. To say goodbye, I know you're always there in every way, and though the journey takes me far and wide, I know we'll never say goodbye. Pleasures come my way, but none can satisfy. Only in your presence have I found our full supply. Love and care to keep me all along life's way, and a promise that you'll brighten every day. To say goodbye, I know you're always there in every way, and though the journey takes me far and wide, I know we'll never say goodbye. I know we'll never have to say goodbye. I know you're always there in every way, and though the journey takes me far and wide, I know we'll never say, I know we'll never say, I know we'll never say
We are friends, that's what we'll be till the end. Someone we can depend. It's you and me, friend. We are friends, together through thick and thin. Whether we lose or win, we'll be friends, friend. And when the times go rough and tough, I'll be there for you. You'll never be alone, because I'll stay by your side. Forever we will be friends. All the times you and me we have shared, times when we laughed and cried, day and night. And to love, someday we'll fall in love, to someone who's been so true, just like you, friend. When the times go rough and tough, I'll be there for you. You'll never be alone, because I'll stay by your side. Forever we will be friends. Times go rough and tough, I'll be there for you. Forever we will be friends. You are there, someone who really cares, someone who's been so true. I thank you, friend. Thank you.